Also, I'm gonna fucking upgrade this.
So we're looking at Jude's Jeep's off-road aftermath. He's like, I got a coolant leak, but I don't know where it's coming from.
It's just splashing out of it.
We think it's just splashing out of his coolant reservoir tank. But I said, notice how big your differentials are, right? How big the pumpkin is, right? That's what we call it. They hold a lot more fluid than these little teeny tiny rear ends and transfer cases they're putting in these crossovers, right? So I mean, you can go probably. I'll tell you, I don't even know if Ant's diffs have ever been serviced at 230,000 miles, but we don't have any driveline problems, or we don't even have any leaks. But we see how many Jeeps come in here with axle seals, axle bearings, wheel bearings, front tube seals leaking. But Jude said, well, I don't use my four-wheel drive that often, so I really shouldn't have to worry about it. Maintenance in it. That's not true. Still rotating up here. There's still fluid in there.
The clutches aren't engaged.
The environment outside is changing what's going on inside with moisture, and because there is a vent tube on this.
Yeah.
So tisk 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 tisk
service
tisk.
the rear before I do the
You
front.
still should be maintenancing your vehicle's
My vent tube
fluids.
fell, so it's not as high as it was.
Uh-oh.
It's zip tied up, but still.
Yeah. Vent tubes being as high as possible are a must when you're off-roading.
Well, in the next week, I'm gonna service that. Just because you said something, and I'm like, you know what, fuck it.
So a $90 or $150 diff service is sure fuck a lot cheaper than rebuilding your front differential.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. So
I mean, even then, all I have to do is, well, I mean, this is because I work here. I fucking just pop the drain plug, drain the fluid, fill it back
you
up.
could do that.
And then I'm paying what? For the fluid?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So it's not smart for me not to service it.
Correct. Or anyone.
Or anyone, exactly.
You're not getting a rear end replacement done for less than $2,500 at any dealership.
Yeah, no.
And you're definitely not getting axle seals and bearings done without spending tons of money, right?
Nope.
So, yeah.
Also, I love the way Jeep Cats are. How fucking up they are so nobody can steal them.
Yeah, well, I'm sure somebody has. Yeah, dude, that's actually not in a great spot here. Your rear diff tube there.
That's the best I can get for anything. Unless I zip tie it, like, up here, but then I gotta worry about the sway bar.
Yeah, I'm still dealing with this lingering sinus cold, green mucusy shit.
And you just coughed in my
Right, well,
face.
Jude coughed in my face
You
2
just
weeks
coughed in
ago,
my
and then now
face.
I'm feeling it.
What the fuck is going on with my springs?
Caleb busted them. He busted them.
I may have been a spring.
If you see the Jeep a rockin', don't come a knockin'.
Do I actually, are my springs actually fucked up, or is it just sitting weird?
No, that's fine. It's a Jeep thing. Thanks for watching.